Guys, that is so good. It is so good. You have to try this one, okay? This is such a refreshing meal. I won't lie to you. It's so good, all right? And you're getting your protein. Might be the healthiest meal you're gonna have today. We're all trying to eat healthier. I know I am daily. And so here I'm gonna share with you in this video some of my go-to healthy meals. These meals will not get you overly full. However, they will provide a lot of vitamins, a lot of fiber, and of course, protein, which I always say, let's go get that protein. We're trying to get these gains, right? But we're trying to eat healthy. I'm gonna show you a couple different ways that I do it. This will fit into any diet. Adjust it however you need to in your diet. These are just some of the great options that I use to stay fit, to stay healthy, to stay lean year round, and to mix it up a little bit, right? Because you don't wanna keep eating the same stuff. Man, that joker gets boring. Man, we gotta mix it up. And I actually look forward to this meal. Now, these meals right here, perfect. If you're hungry, but you're not starving, if you're just looking to get some more protein in, kind of a light, it's not a snack, it's a little more than a snack, but it's more of just a light meal, okay? If you're not a person that likes to eat a lot at each time, this is perfect. So check these out. First up, if you haven't seen these are great options to keep in the fridge. This salmon is coming in at 27 grams of protein right here. Okay, so let me show you what I'm gonna do with this. This is a great way to get, now if you don't like salmon, you can also use tuna. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some salmon, I'll put it on some cucumber with some with some cream cheese, okay? So check this out. Cream cheese I'm using is this right here. I'm gonna go with the 1/3 less fat. If you wanna go full fat, go for it, man. It tastes so good. I grabbed this one, not a problem. I measured out 1 ounce, so make sure you measure it out, okay? So I measured out 1 ounce, which looks like that. This is 1 ounce of cottage cheese, all right? Just to let you know, that's 1 ounce, all right? It's not much, okay? But you don't need much. All right, so basically all I have here is a cucumber. This is only half a cucumber. Cucumbers are great for you. Man, they taste so good. Get you some cucumber, keep cucumbers in stock. There's so many different things you can do with them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take half a cucumber. Uh-oh, one fell off. Get back on there. What I did, whenever you take the salmon out, it's gonna come on this little like tray. Come on this little tray like that. All you gotta do is just cut up little squares, however the size you want, that'll fit on the cucumber. So all you're gonna do, this is so simple. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Watch this, it's pretty tough. Make sure you pay attention. Just kidding, it's not tough. Look, you just take the cucumber, put a little cream cheese on that joker. There it is, look at that. Cream cheese, cucumber. Might be the healthiest meal you're gonna have today. Look at that, look at that. You know, you get a plate of these, it looks like something you might get at a restaurant now. Come on now, look at that. Oh yeah. The cream cheese on the cucumber already tastes good as it is. You add that salmon on there, salmon has good flavor to it. Remember, if you don't like the salmon flavor, maybe add a little tuna. You can also do like a chicken. If you want to do like a shredded chicken out of the can, you can do that as well. Cucumber, cream cheese, and whatever protein you want to put on the top. Super quick, easy meal. You're getting your vegetables. Cream cheese is so good, it tastes great, and you're gonna get your protein, all right? You cannot beat that. Just grab you one of these. I like this. I'm gonna eat this entire thing. I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna do with this meat here. If you don't wanna, if you don't have a cucumber, let me show you something else you can do, all right? Now, one of my next favorite meals I like to have that's super light. All this is basically you're gonna take whatever bread you wanna use. I have a couple different choices here. I'm gonna go over these. I keep these in stock, but you're basically gonna take the bread and you're gonna do 2 different options, okay? I highly recommend using the Sara Lee Delightful bread. This bread is great. If you know, you know. Go find this bread. White bread, who doesn't like white bread? It tastes so good. Man, I'm gonna use this one. I just toasted it up. This is my other favorite bread right here, Sola. Okay, Sola, sweet and buttery. Man, doesn't that sound good right there? Sweet and buttery. This is my other bread right here. This one is so good. Throw your little butter on there. Throw your little peanut butter on there with some jelly. There it is, low carb bread. This one's good. Find that Walmart HEB. If you need some more whole grains in your life, go with Dave's Killer. If you know about Dave's Killer. Man, Dave's Killer is great. I use this all the time as well. If this fits into your nutrition, this fits into your diet, go with the Dave's Killer. Dave's Killer is easy to find. You can find Dave's Killer anywhere. Really good. These are the thin slices, the smaller slices. So whatever fits in your macros, make sure you're tracking everything, all right? MyFitnessPal, check it out. Another one that is so good, Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread, I keep this in stock. This you can keep in the freezer. There's all kinds of grains in here for you. If that's what fits in your diet, go with the Ezekiel, okay? Keep Ezekiel in stock if it fits in your diet. On this meal, I'm gonna roll with this, okay? So basically what I did is I just toasted up 2 pieces of bread. All right, now I'm gonna show you 2 options that you can do to get down with this bread. Now, I know for a while there, avocado toast was all the rave, right? Avocado toast for breakfast. You go to restaurants, you're paying $25 for 2 pieces of toast and some avocado on it, you know, whatever, it doesn't matter. But to tell you the truth, it's good. It's good for you and it's good, okay? So avocado, this is just half an avocado. I had half an avocado left over from yesterday. This is just half. So on one bread, we'll put some avocado, just spread it on the bread. I'm trying to tell you, this avocado toast is no joke. Now you just take your avocado toast. What I have here is 2 pieces of bacon, all right? 2 pieces of bacon, that's it, all right? I love bacon. Bacon is so good. If you don't want to go with regular bacon, you can go with some turkey bacon. That'll keep it a little bit lower fat, but man, look at that. Okay, this is all you need right there. I'm trying to tell you, man. So 2 pieces of bacon, some avocado toast. This is just something that gets you by, all right? So let's try this out. If you know on this, you gotta try this out. I'm telling you, the Sara Lee white bread, little avocado on top, and just throw some bacon on that joker, man, ready to go. Oh, by the way, the bacon, I just put 2 pieces of bacon in the microwave, 2 minutes, good to go, nice and crispy. Man, you can't beat that, all right? If you need a real light breakfast, there you go. Okay, finally, we got 1 more piece of toast. We're gonna put something on there, okay? So what I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna just go ahead and put some more of this avocado on there. Remember, avocado is really good for you. Got healthy fats in there. It's got fiber in there. Avocado, the flavor is just so good as it is. I'm gonna put that joker on there. And all I'm gonna do, because since I still got some of this salmon left over, you know I'm about to throw it on that toast now. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Let me show you what we're working with here. Now look at that. Now all you have is avocado salmon toast. Man, something like this at a restaurant might run you about 30 bucks. Come on now. Man, you made it at the house for a lot cheaper, right? And it tastes great. Remember, I'm using white bread, avocado, and salmon. If this is how you like to get down, you gotta check this out, man. Come on now. Am I at a restaurant? No, I'm in my kitchen. Come on now. Woo, buddy. A little pro tip, you wanna take it up a notch. Everything bagel seasoning. You can find it, this is a HEB brand. Everything bagel seasoning. Man, you put that on that joker. I'm trying to tell you. You make this at the house, people think you DoorDashed it or something. Man, what restaurant you get this from? Man, I just made it, man. It just keep it with stuff in stock like that. Put it on top of there, you see that? Man, come on now, you cannot. Man. Guys, that is so good. It is so good, you have to try this one, okay? This is such a refreshing meal. I won't lie to you. It's so good, all right? And you're getting your protein if you wanna go with the salmon, if you wanna go with the bacon, however you wanna do it. These are just some of the options that you can use. Let me know what you think on these. And if you try something like that, you know what will go good on this one? Something that will go good on this one, a little tomato on there. That might just set it off right. So you can add a little tomato on there. Let me know if you have some ideas on what else I can put on this avocado salmon toast. Look at that. I'm trying to tell you, something like this in a restaurant, it's gonna cost you, but we're gonna make it at the house and it's gonna be a lot cheaper, right? So check this out. Definitely, man, add this to your rotation. Keep these items in stock for those days when you're like, man, I don't really feel like eating a lot. I just want something nutritious and to get me by to my next meal. This is the way to go. I'm trying to tell you, let me know what you think about this one. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.